How to register on Meritbox as a student? To register as a student on Meritbox, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Meritbox app on your device. Step 2. Tap New User. Register here at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. In the user type, select Student. Step 4. In the username, provide a unique username. If it's not available, add numbers to make it unique. Step 5. Enter your full name in the name field. Step 6. Enter a valid email in the email field. Step 7. Enter a valid mobile number in the mobile field. OTP will be sent for the verification of email and mobile. Please check the entered email and mobile number carefully for any errors. Step 8. Type a password in the password and confirm password fields. Keep this information secure. Carefully review all the information, then proceed with verification. Step 9. Please enter the OTP sent to your email or mobile number to verify. Step 10. Select your board, class and country and tap Next. You will be taken to a personalized dashboard to explore the features of Meritbox. Please follow other videos on how to use different features of Meritbox. Thank you for using Meritbox.